Aloha traders, Cifi here with Stock Traders Talk Radio. Checking out ticker BBDA. It's been one of our favorite stocks, going all the way back down to Quad City back in June when we did a stock spotlight at 0005. Boom! Congratulations. We love it when people make 40 baggers on one of our spotlights. Anyways, let's take a look at what's going on with her now because she's showing some concerns, to say the least. Let's find ourselves a nice color here to draw some lines with. I'm going to go with cayenne. Don't know what the hell cayenne is, but we're going with it. We're going to start with a trend line coming off the bottom here. I'm going to drop that off the bottom, put it on our second swing low right in there. See that right in there. And what you can see from that is we've officially broken below that trend line. And not only broke below it, but then we tried to retest it today, and it was a no-go. And there's a few things going on right up in there that are concerning. Right there, I'm going to call that a hangman, and then our very next candle is a doji. So she doesn't know what she wants to do. But according to accumulation distribution, could get real rough. You're going to have that accumulation distribution possibly break back down below that MA, 10-day MA. That would not be a good thing. You can see what happened when she broke above it. That was the pretty much get up and go time. And then when she found support, that was giddy up. That 50 MA overlay is way down below. The RSI, don't like that it broke below that 50 MA overlay already. You can see what happened when she broke above it. That was go time. You can see what happened when she held it. That was hold, get ready for more. Anyways, she's heading lower. Now she's actually set on that 50 midpoint line. If she breaks below that, that's really bad. As for your PPO, same thing. You can see when she broke up through this area, and then held support, came down, kissed it, went higher. Well, guess what? She broke below it now, so not good. Same with that slow stow. You can see that whole area right through here when she was holding above that 50 MA overlay as well as the 50 midpoint. Well, she broke below both of them already, and now she is sitting there and looks like she might even go a little bit lower. We want to see all those come back up. Let's throw out a couple more things here. You know, we talked about a few charts back, video charts, the ascending triangle that was setting up right here. And when you got this break above this point, she went boom all the way up to here. Well, you got a little bit different scenario going on now. You could call this a few different chart setups. I'm going to go ahead and say that we're definitely downtrending. You can throw that on there, and you got that 0.0097 support. So we could be setting up for a couple different things here. We could be setting up for a symmetrical triangle, which is, you know, mainly considered a continuation pattern, which would be good. Or we could be setting up a descending triangle, just the opposite of what we saw the pattern on the breakout. And the descending triangle obviously being the bearish side of the triangle. So a break below that 0.0097 would probably go ahead and give you that go ahead that you're definitely going to go kiss that 50 MA, which is all the way down at 0.0058. So nobody wants to take that loss. That's, you know, you're looking at a 40% loss if you were getting in at 1. So do I believe it's going there? I have no clue where she's going. I wish I did. That 20 MA overlay has been broke. Need to get back above that. That definitely is not a good sign. Am I a buyer of BBDA right here or a shareholder? No. I'm in hold pattern. Would I buy that 50 MA overlay again? Or I mean that 50... God, I can't even speak right. That 50 MA moving average. There we go. Still getting it wrong. Yeah, I would be looking for that bounce because this thing's got a lot of players in it. Or would I be buying a breakout back above that 20 MA or a large run above 0.0148 on some real volume? Yes, I would. But until now, I'm holding on BBDA. Be careful. Trade smart. Aloha.
Thank you for listening to Stock Traders Talk Radio. All views and topics talked about on Stock Traders Talk Radio is solely for entertainment purposes. We are not professional financial advisors and always recommend you seek the advice of a professional financial advisor. Never invest in any stock featured on our show unless you can afford to lose your entire investment. The information contained on our show is based on sources which we believe to be reliable, but is not guaranteed by us as being accurate. and might not be a complete statement or summary of the available data. Stock Traders Talk Radio advises that the investments in companies profiled are commonly considered to be high risk, and use of the information provided is at the investor's sole risk. Thank you for listening to Stock Traders Talk Radio.